The one true and authentic divine natural self is expressing the ideas that are flowing from the core of who I really am. A divine, harmonious child of ever-peaking, evergreen, transcendental life. My awareness is the awareness of my higher self. My thoughts and perceptions are emanating from the inner space inhabited by my natural, authentic, divine, true self. Life is appearing as an ultimate miracle, and I am feeling rapturous, amazing, phenomenal. This is it. This is the moment where something's happening, where everything is happening, where the all good is exploding in a continuous climax of everlasting wonder. My feelings are the feelings of my divine, natural, authentic self. This self is the very health of my body. This self is flowing all around me and comprises the aura, the rainbow brightness that is demonstrating itself in the space of my existence. There is only all good, all pure, divine, harmonious health happening here. Any remnants of addictive tendency, conditioned negativity, the sense of the absence of the truth are all melting away. My higher self is vitality. My higher self is the resolving force that is freeing me and liberating me into new paradigms of happiness and pleasure. I can feel good and have a good time all the time, no matter what the circumstances may appear through the distortions of my conditioned perceptions. I can cast away all stress, all anxiety and frustration. These emotions are being resolved and corrected and lifted up into the stream of my highest good, the highest self, the higher power that is guiding me into new and wonderful adventures of eternal life. The higher power that is freeing me from erroneous ideas and suggestions that I may have adopted into what I believe to be my personality. My true personality, the personality of the divine, authentic self, who I really am, is glorious, natural ecstasy, the completion of all that's happening. It is the moment that this is being realized as the continuous and ultimate climax of all true life. Life is on my side. Life is the flow, the chi. Life is spirit. There is no existence other than this spiritual existence. Any sense of the absence of this spiritual experience is merely a misconception, an outmoded idea. I no longer need to cling to these past remnants of negativity and negative self-image. This is a new paradigm of self-image psychology. This is divine, natural, higher self-realization. This is freedom from addiction. This is freedom from ill health. This is the light of mind shining throughout the entirety of all space. And in that space, there is the vibration that is all good. It's all one good vibration. Can you feel it? Can you feel the love and happiness? Can you feel the freedom? Can you feel the transcendental euphoria? This is all there is. This is life, divine, exploding as a type of transcendental, tantric, continuous climax of life, pleasure, happiness, euphoria. I am released of the old mind. I am released of the erroneous conditioning. I am released from false attachments that sometimes create false perceptions that aren't really happening in reality. I am the light of the universe. I am the love that I thought that I was seeking. I am the dreaming, the dreamtime dreamer. I am the core spirituality of the earth. I am earth consciousness happening beautifully. I am free, free and easy. I am feeling good, feeling groovy, feeling real, mighty, mighty real. This is it. This is the dance. This is the universal song. This is the spring of salvation. This is the realization that all is really well, that all is truly good, that everything is coming up roses. I am in love with life. The chi is lifting me up. I am united in the life force. The force is with me. I am a divine child of spirit. Spiritual health is the very essence of my body-mind organism. This orgasmic organism is appearing with peak perfection, exhibiting peak performance in all of my daily activities, in all of the choices that I may make. I am guided by my higher self, my divine, authentic, true, spiritual essence. The foods I eat are charged with positive, good vibrations. They are natural. They are filled with positive energy. I am inspired to feel this current of cosmic life flow as I am inspired to exercise my body, to go to the gym, to do yoga, to participate in sports as appropriate. I don't need to necessarily follow sports and the sports stars. I am a star in my own universe, and I can focus on my own talents when it comes to fitness and health. I can be the center of my own arena of awareness as I do things such as cycling and weightlifting, swimming, walking, jogging. I can get off on what's happening as I am gently and effectively guided by my divine higher self in all of my moment-by-moment activities, and the constant realization that every moment is a miracle. Every moment is a new level of becoming. It is beingness doing the dance of universal health. Health is my true reality. Health is what it's all about. Good, vibrational, natural health is being experienced here and now. This is the arena of miracles and wonder. This is the moment of divine light shining through. This is essential, transcendental, spiritual, higher self realization, and I am loving it, and so it is.